Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add ICOCA card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, select Transit Card. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar and type ICOCA. When you see Japan ICOCA, tap on it and select Continue. You can either add a new card or transfer an existing ICOCA card. Enter the amount you want to add, then tap Add. Follow the on-screen steps to finish. And that's it! Your ICOCA card is now ready to use in Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.